Hello viewers, in this video we will learn what is algebraic structure. This is the most important topic in abstract algebra or modern algebra. But first, in order to understand this topic, this concept, you will have to first get introduced with what is binary operation. In the previous video, I have already made you understand that what is binary operation. For more information, you can check my playlist. Okay, but in shortcut, I will get you understand what is binary operation. If you take a set, okay, in which you operate two element, say a and b, okay, if you operate them, suppose you add a and b and you get result c, and if the result c lie in this set, then this operation you have done will be called a binary operation. Suppose you add, then this addition will be called a binary operation. Okay, so in algebraic structure, say a star is a binary operation on G set, then G star, this type of structure, okay, is called algebraic structure. Okay, but in other way, you may get this type of structure, say a star and O. Okay, if you take a star as plus, suppose you take a star as plus, then you will have to take O as minus, divide or multiply, other than this. Okay, other than this. And if you had taken minus, then you will have to take this O value as multiply. Okay, multiply plus divide. I mean to say that this star and O represent operation but different operation. Okay, okay, if a star and O be two binary operation on G, then this type of a structure is called also algebraic structure. Okay, now there are two type of algebraic structure. Okay, there are two type of algebraic structure. First type of algebraic structure you have to study in group theory. This type of structure in which you will have to take only one type of operation, but in ring theory you will have to study this type of structure. Okay, ring theory or field theory. Okay, in ring theory you will have to take two different operation, say a star and O. Okay, this type of structure is called also algebraic structure, and this is also called algebraic structure. Now we will understand more deeply. Okay, as I have told you, according to definition, okay, this must satisfy binary operation. This star must satisfy binary operation. Okay, and in this type of structure, this star and O must also satisfy binary operation. So we will take some example. We will take some structure and we will identify which is algebraic structure or not. Which is algebraic structure? Let's check. Let's take this type of algebraic structure. Okay, n plus. If you take a and b, suppose you take 1 and 2 and add them, you will definitely get result a natural number. So the result is also from this same set. Okay, this is a binary operation, so this is a algebraic structure. Okay, now suppose you get natural number and operate them with minus, then there is a chance that sometime you get sometime just like you subtract 3 minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, then you will definitely get a number which is not natural. so this is not a algebraic structure. Okay, now let's move further and take some different examples. If you take whole number and add them, then you will definitely get whole number. So this is algebraic structure. This is also algebraic structure, and definitely you will multiply two whole number, then you will definitely get a whole number. So this is also a algebraic structure. This is not a algebraic structure, because if you get negative sign, then definitely the result will be out of sets, will we get out of sets. So this is not a algebraic structure. Let's check this. Integer addition of integer will always a integer. So this is algebraic structure. This is also a algebraic structure. Okay, now move further. Let's take some more examples. Addition of rational number is a algebraic structure. Multiplication is also a algebraic structure. But look at here, if you take a rational number and divide them, then there is a chance that you just suppose you divide 2 and 0. Here both are rational number, but the result are imaginary. Yes, this is the result are imaginary, which do not belongs to the set of Q. So this is not a algebraic structure. But if you erase 0, okay, if you take non-zero rational number, then division will be a algebraic structure, because suppose you divide 2 3, then the result definitely is going to be a rational number. So this is a algebraic structure. But if you erase 0, then this will not be a algebraic structure anymore. Okay, now let's take more examples. Okay, this type of structure in which two operation has been taken. Okay, natural number plus and multiplication. Here the result will always be a natural number. In this structure, if you addition will always be a natural number. Okay, if you add some natural number, then you will definitely get natural number. But if you subtract, here is a subtraction sign, so if you subtract them, then there is a chance that you can get a negative sign number. So this is not a algebraic structure. This is also algebraic structure, as you can check. But here this is not a algebraic structure, because here r minus q means rational number. R stands for real number, and q stands for rational number. So real number minus rational number is what? Irrational number. Okay, irrational number. And irrational number, if we add irrational number, as you can see, we have added root 2 and minus root 2, but we have get the result 0, which is a rational number which do not belongs to this set, r minus q. R minus q means irrational number, but 0 is a rational number. So this is exception, and it can't be a algebraic structure. Okay, we have get a contradiction. Now let's take more examples. Let's take this r minus q means again irrational number. If we multiply irrational number, okay, but if we multiply irrational number, then we get irrational number. But there is an exception, that is what? As you can see here, root 2 into root 2 is 2, which do not belongs to this. Okay, so here this is also not a algebraic structure. Now natural number division is also not a algebraic structure, because 2 by 3, as you can see, do not belongs to n. As you can see, this is not a binary operation, so this can't be your algebraic structure. So this is all. I will see you in the next video, and we will talk about this concept: groupoid, quasi-group, semi-group, monoid, and group. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe if this video has helped you.